In this video, I will be showing you how to use DeepSeek AI. Let's get started. First, I open a new tab in my browser and type DeepSeek Platform into the search bar. Once the search results load, I click on the first link for the DeepSeek platform to open up the developer dashboard. Here, you can see the usage metrics and API settings. Next, I navigate to the left side menu and click on API keys. On this screen, I click the button that says Create New API Key. A pop-up box appears asking for a name, so I type in sample key and click the Create API Key button. The new key is immediately generated, so I click the Copy button to save it to my clipboard before clicking Done. Now that I have my key, I switch back to my main chat tab on chat.deepseek.com to try out a query. I click inside the message box at the bottom of the interface and type Create a beginner-friendly roadmap for learning how to use the DeepSeek API. Include the tools I need, the programming languages to learn, the first project I should build, and common mistakes to avoid. With my prompt ready, I click the blue Send button on the right side of the input field. The AI begins processing my request, searching the web for relevant documentation, and reading several pages to compile the information. In just a few moments, the roadmap starts generating on screen. I scroll down through the text to review the comprehensive response, which is nicely organized into clear phases. It lists Python as the recommended programming language, details the steps for environment setup, provides actual terminal commands in Python code blocks for making a first API call, suggests a practical first project, and highlights critical configuration mistakes to avoid. Using the DeepSeek platform to build apps and using their interactive chat interface is that simple. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.